Our job is to supply the best and the brightest with the best products, the best information, the best lead times, so that they can do what they do, and that is produce devices that change the world.
Customers come to Component Supply because we are really the first stop for researchers and product designers. I think for the number of components that we have and the types of components that we have, we're really the only ones that do it the way that we do it. So we'll get an order, as long as it comes in by 2 o'clock our time, we'll ship it the same day. That's incredibly rare, but we feel like it's our obligation. If we say we're a resource for R&D and we know that our customers needed it yesterday, we can't send it yesterday, but we can certainly send it as fast as we can today.
So early days, we had no real plan. Seriously, we bought everything, we brought it up, we stuck it in a shipping container with an air conditioning in it in Central Florida. And then next thing you knew, there were more customers that I could work with, and we had employees.
From the very beginning at Component Supply, it was trying to figure out what will do the job best and most consistently, as fast as we can, but still with precision. So where there wasn't a tool, we would step in and try to design a tool.
I think that when everyone is working for a company that they love and believe in, it really helps with making good parts because everybody cares so much about what they're sending out.
We really want to be a resource, not just simply from the product, but from the knowledge. We want to be able to answer questions, and we also want to believe in your work too.